Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sangeeta Maurya Arts. So today I came with making painting with old lipstick. So let's start with me. In this video I use three color of lipstick: pink, orange and brown color lipstick for making flower. First I make some dots of shape of flowers for making flowers. You can also make this painting with me. It is a very simple and easy drawing for making everyone can make easily. I really enjoy while making this painting. It is very comfortable and satisfying painting for me and also for you also. Then when you make the dots by shape of flower, after that you can mesh using your fingers like that me. Now I am using a orange color of lipstick for making of middle dot of flower. It's look like very pretty flowers. You can use another color of lipstick. Now I am making two flower in orange color. Then use your finger for mesh lipstick by shape of flower. For making flower stem, I am using green color of crayons. Now I am making of leaf by using green color of crayons. Next I am using brown color of lipstick for making a flower pot. Then blending the lipstick of colors. Now my painting is done. So hey guys, it is complete and do comment and tell me how it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please show your love, like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.